Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best dog wading pools is probably one of the most refreshing ways to keep your furry friend cool and entertained during those scorching summer days. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a dog park on a busy afternoon. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of dog wading pools, exploring the top picks and helping you find the perfect splash zone for your canine companion. Number 5. Jasonwell 32 Foldable Dog Pet Bath Pool. Introducing the Jasonwell Foldable Dog Pool. It's perfect for your furry friends to cool off and have fun. This pool is designed with convenience in mind. This pool is foldable, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. Take it with you and your dog wherever you go, ensuring they always have a place to splash around. Forget about inflation. This pool sets up in no time. It also features a convenient bottom and side drain for easy water changes. Made of extra tough PVC, this pool is built to last. The bottom is slip resistant, providing a safe and enjoyable experience for your pets. The Jasonwell dog pool comes in 5 sizes to fit dogs of all breeds and sizes. Make sure to choose the perfect fit for your pet. This pool is made with environmentally friendly materials, meeting EN 71 and ASTM standards. Remember to trim your dog's nails before use to keep it in top condition. What we like. This pool is incredibly easy to set up, no inflation needed. It's also foldable, making it perfect for taking with you on trips. If you are looking for a convenient and portable option for your dog, this is the one. What people say. It is thick, great quality and a perfect size. I love that you can drain in from the bottom and how easy it is to clean. Another perk is getting to just fold it up and store it when it's not in use. Number 4. SplashEZ 69-foot non-slip splash pad. Introducing a fun and safe way to cool off this summer. This splash pad features a non-slip surface, ensuring that your little ones and furry friends can play without any worries. It's the perfect way to keep everyone safe while they enjoy the water. This is the ultimate summer toy for the whole family, including your dogs. The pore-resistant materials and unique design make it a hit for everyone. Get ready for endless fun and wagging tails. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to enjoy. Gather your kids and dogs for hours of fun in the sun. There's plenty of room for everyone to splash around and have a great time. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with this shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. It's also BPA and phthalates free, so you can relax knowing that they are playing in a safe environment. Enjoy peace of mind while they have fun. We are committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, please contact our friendly team for a solution. We are here to ensure you and your family have a great experience. What we like. This splash pad features a non-slip surface, ensuring safety for both kids and dogs. It's designed for the whole family to enjoy. If you have young children and dogs who love to play together, this splash pad is a great choice. What people say. Nice thick material. I would say dog resistant but not dog proof. My kid and dog love it. Super easy to use and great value for what it costs. You can adjust the water height with the hose and the shallow mat stays cool when in use. Easy setup and good water spray. Takes few minutes to get started. Pretty well made. Price is fair and size was big enough. Number 3. VISTOP XXL Foldable Dog Pool. This dog pool is made of thick, non-slip PVC material and features a built-in hard plastic shell. This makes it difficult to collapse and protects it from scratches. The anti-skid bottom ensures safety for your pets and kids while they play. The pool's foldable design allows for easy storage and portability. After use and drying, it folds into a compact size, perfect for travel and saving space at home. It's a convenient solution for summer fun. The pool features deep drain valves located near the bottom, minimizing water retention. This design saves time and makes cleaning the pool a breeze. Remember to put it away when not in use to protect your lawn. No air pump is needed, simply unfold the pool and place it on a flat surface. Filling it to 90% capacity is recommended for optimal use and to extend its lifespan. Remember to trim your dog's paws before use to prevent damage. This versatile pool is great for cooling down your pets. It can be used as a dog bathtub, a baby pool, or even a sandbox. You can also add water slides or tables for extra fun, providing a cool and happy water game for everyone. Avoid prolonged sun exposure to protect the pool. What we like. This pool features a hard plastic shell, making it extra durable and resistant to scratches. It also has a quick drainage system for easy cleaning. If you like a long-lasting and easy-to-maintain pool, this is the perfect option. What people say. The pool is easy to set up and take down. It's made of durable material. The drain plug works great. Number 2. Furrybaby 39-foot foldable dog pool. This pool is made with thickened PVC and polyester mesh, ensuring it's wear-resistant and anti-skid. The MDF sidewalls maintain its shape, providing a safe environment for both kids and pets. It's safe, skin-friendly, non-toxic, and odorless. The non-slip bottom prevents accidents, making it perfect for kids and dogs to enjoy together. The pool is easily foldable, making it ideal for travel. When folded, it's compact and easy to store, ready for your next adventure. It features a drain hole for fast water release. For cleaning, simply use a mix of vinegar, dish soap, and water, then air dry before storing. This pool is great for backyard fun, suitable for various dog breeds, and can also be used as a bath, a duck pond, or even a ball pit. It offers multiple uses. What we like. This pool is designed with a non-slip texture, ensuring safety during playtime. It's also foldable for easy storage and transport. If you are looking for a safe and portable pool for both your kids and dogs, you should consider this one. What people say. The hard plastic sides are sturdy and hold their shape well, even when the dogs lean on the edges. It sets up in seconds, folds down easily for storage, and the drain plug makes emptying it quick and simple. It is the perfect size for her to lounge in, play in, and jump in and out of to cool off. Number 1. Intex Deep Sea Blue 8-foot SnapSet Kiddie Pool. Beat the heat with this easy-to-set-up pool. It's perfect for toddlers, offering instant relief from the summer sun. This pool sets up in minutes, so you can start enjoying it right away. This pool features a vibrant 3D sea life graphic. Your little ones can let their imaginations run wild as they swim with the fish. It's a fun and engaging way to keep them entertained. Made with durable plastic, this pool is built to last season after season. It's a cost-effective way to provide summer entertainment for your children. You can count on it for years of fun. Forget about pumps and complicated setups. This pool is designed for easy setup, requiring no air inflation. That means more time for fun and less time on preparation. Measuring 8 feet in diameter and 1.5 feet tall, with a capacity of 539 gallons, this pool is ideal for 4 to 7 people. It's the perfect size for family fun and making lasting memories. What we like. This pool offers an instant setup, providing quick fun for your kids. It features a fun 3D sea life graphic to spark their imagination. If you like a hassle-free and visually appealing pool, this is a great choice. What people say. They last 2 to 3 years. I set it up myself. They don't break easy, can be left out all spring and summer, easy to fill and easy to empty, big enough for 5 or 6 kids to play in, and even good for washing the dog in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.